Hi everyone, I'm welcoming you here in Amsterdam on ISE, and I'm Adil from Yealink, and I'm happy to present you our new product, video conference codec for the what's the name is the Meeting i600. It is suitable for the medium-sized meeting rooms, up to 11 people. It is a 4K terminal that supports all the features inside of it. It has built-in microphone. It has the dynamics inside of it. It has the dual camera. So the one is for the enriching the overall experience of the voice tracking and after framing. And also you can use the codec to join our meeting on the cloud. Here is like just a one click. You can join through the QR. You can join with the invitation by Outlook or any other way to join it. You just one click and you are in the meeting for the cloud. Enjoy. And you can check more information on our website, yealink.com.